If you're over 50, this video could be a game changer for your health. Did you know that certain everyday habits could be putting you at risk for a heart attack? I'm talking about things you might not even realize are dangerous. Today, I'm sharing 7 habits that could increase your heart attack risk. And the good news? You can change them to protect your heart. And I'll guide you step by step with practical tips to live longer and healthier. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, so don't skip ahead. And hey, drop a comment at the end. Tell me which habit surprised you the most. Let's get started. First up, smoking or using any kind of tobacco. If you're over 50 and still smoking, your heart is under serious stress. Smoking damages your blood vessels, raises your blood pressure, and makes your heart work harder than it should. Studies show smokers are up to 4 times more likely to have a heart attack than non-smokers. Even secondhand smoke is risky. How to change it? Quit now. It's never too late. Start by setting a quit date, maybe a week from today. Talk to your doctor about nicotine patches or support groups. Try swapping cigarettes for healthier habits, like chewing gum or taking a walk when you get a craving. Apps like Quit Now can track your progress and keep you motivated. Every day you're smoke-free, your heart gets stronger. You've got this. Next, let's talk about diet. If you're eating a lot of processed foods, think fast food, chips, or sugary snacks, you're loading your body with unhealthy fats, salt, and sugar. These clog your arteries and spike your cholesterol, which is a major heart attack trigger for people over 50. How to change it? Switch to heart-healthy foods. Add more fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins like fish or chicken to your plate. Try the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with heart-loving foods like olive oil and nuts. Start small. Swap one processed snack for an apple or a handful of almonds each day. Plan your meals weekly to avoid grabbing junk food. Your heart will thank you, and you'll feel more energized. Not moving enough. Being inactive is a big one. If you're spending most of your day sitting, whether at a desk, on the couch, or in the car, your heart isn't getting the exercise it needs. Lack of movement raises your risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease, especially as you age. How to change it? Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity most days. You don't need a gym. Walking is fantastic. Try a brisk walk around your neighborhood after dinner, or do chair exercises if mobility is an issue. Find something fun like dancing to your favorite music or joining a local walking group. Start with 10 minutes a day and build up. Small steps lead to big heart health wins. Ignoring stress. This one is all about stress. Chronic stress, whether from work, family, or money worries, raises your cortisol levels, which can harm your heart over time. If you're over 50, stress can hit harder, increasing blood pressure and heart attack risk. How to change it? Make stress management a priority. Try deep breathing for 5 minutes a day. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Meditation apps like Calm or Headspace are great for beginners. Spend time with loved ones or do hobbies you enjoy like gardening or reading. Even a daily 10-minute walk can melt stress away. You deserve to feel calm and in control. Skipping regular checkups. Skipping doctor visits is another risky habit. If you're not getting regular checkups, you might miss early signs of heart trouble, like high blood pressure or cholesterol. Over 50, your body changes, and catching issues early can save your life. How to change it? Schedule a checkup today. Yes, right now. Ask your doctor to check your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Keep a health journal to track how you feel between visits. If you're nervous about tests, bring a friend or family member for support. Knowing your numbers empowers you to protect your heart. Don't wait for symptoms. Be proactive. Next up, drinking too much alcohol. A glass of wine now and then is fine, but heavy drinking, more than 1 drink a day for women or 2 for men, can raise your blood pressure and weaken your heart muscle. Over 50, your body handles alcohol differently, so it's a bigger risk. How to change it? Cut back to moderate drinking or switch to non-alcoholic options. Try sparkling water with lemon instead of a cocktail. If you drink socially, set a limit before you go out. 1 drink max. Track your drinks with an app like MyFitnessPal to stay accountable. Your heart will work better, and you'll sleep better too. Last but not least, not getting enough sleep. If you're over 50 and getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night, you're stressing your heart. Poor sleep raises blood pressure and inflammation, both linked to heart attacks. How to change it? Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Create a bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed, read a book, or listen to calming music. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine after noon, and try a warm herbal tea like chamomile. Good sleep is like medicine for your heart. So there you have it, 7 habits that could put you at risk for a heart attack if you're over 50, and simple ways to change them. Let's recap. Quit smoking, eat healthier, move more, manage stress, get regular checkups, limit alcohol, and prioritize sleep. You don't have to do it all at once. Pick one habit to start with today. Your heart is counting on you. I want to hear from you. Which of these habits are you going to tackle first? Drop it in the comments below, and let's support each other. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more health tips you can trust. Share this with someone over 50 who needs to hear it. Together, we can keep our hearts strong and live our best lives. See you in the next video.